So apparently we've got new police body cam released. This is interviewing a neighbor who used to be a co-worker of Mccasland's. Let's check it out.
Police also speak with another neighbor. This is a man who used to work with Neil Mccasland. And what he says about the general, it paints a very specific picture.
Yeah, he used to be my boss. He's a retired general, Air Force. You know, I haven't seen him in forever.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I see him like once every. I haven't seen him. I thought I saw Susan, his wife, walking up the driveway a day or two ago, but I haven't seen him in Mccasland.
Okay.
Oh my God.
All right.
He drives around in that little sports car, and he's got like a Range Rover, like African safari vehicle.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You see, he was parked outside. Neil used to be my boss. My boss's boss's boss, which is hilarious. I briefed him back in 2000 when he visited Boston. So I think they had the house here, and I lived in Boston, and he came up to the air base.
Okay.
And I briefed for him projects I had. He was this scary colonel. He's a PhD. I'm a PhD, but like he's a PhD in some other science, engineering, and then he ran the scientific lab, and he's smart as hell. And and he's really straight laced, and like so he's not a. If you walk, there's something wrong.
Yeah.
Unless they went for a walk and popped an aneurysm or stroked out or something, but then he'd be on.
Hopefully on the road somewhere.
Yeah, he'd be on the bike path or the trail up.
Right.
Oh, man.
That same neighbor, the one who used to work for Mccasland, also mentioned something else. Cameras.
Next to the folks right here, they have a little entryway it's a fenced in, but they have a ringtone camera. Right here, these guys, right behind that wall is their front door and a little patio.
Oh,
so they have a camera that would see maybe the little gate they have.
I thought is this not Neil's? Yeah.
No, they're the next house. And then the house, they have the bigger house, like up the hill with a curved driveway. Yeah. And you'll see the extra, like there's I forget what it's called, like a big Range Rover thing.
Yeah.
And then, and they have a fenced-in yard, and they got a dog that they don't walk a lot, but he barks at night because he can see between the fence.
Yeah.
Anyway, but so he's 2 houses over.
Okay.